to their children because they don't have any knowledge to leave with their children. So their children is going to be the same. Not going to have no knowledge to give to their children. Common sense? Huh. Don't talk about common sense. They ain't going to have shit common sense. They ain't going to have no common sense. Because the white man is doing all the help right now. Don't matter where you go, black man is not doing any help to the black people. The white man is sending food to Africa, sending food to the Caribbean, sending food to all over the place. I don't see no black men sending food no place. No. They don't have any food to send no place. So they can't send no food. And in the meantime, they're calling the white men blue-eyed devils. That's what messing my thought up. They're calling the white men blue-eyed devil. Huh? Calling the white men blue-eyed devil when they're messing up everything. I don't understand. Do you know where the riches of this United States is? In the black people, in the black race? It's in the church and the convalescent homes. Look, government give fund to a lot of these church, so they can donate these funds to members. The church have food that they get from the government, also clothing, but it's secretly kept. It's just like the public access TV. It's secretly kept. Nobody knows. They don't advertise it. So for you to join up with public access, you gotta find a way out. And that's how these people do their stuff. Yes, that's how they do it. So anyway, all I'm saying, black men need to wake up.